So now let's take care of the vertical rows. I'm going to move the first one here into position. Let's maybe switch off snapping. And I'm going to line this up with the protrusion down here. And let's make a copy and rotate the copy and move it over a bit. And I'm going to make a copy of the first one and move that into position over here. Then we need another copy of this one and move it over to about here. And let's make one more copy of this one and put it over here. So we'll start with the vertical row on the left, and we don't really have to do anything except at the top here where we have to get rid of the protrusion. So I'm going to delete these points here, set these ones to hard interpolation and just move them up a bit. And let's go ahead and check the tangents on these 2 points here. And they're off just a little bit, so I don't think we have to tweak these. So let's move on to the next row, and this one I'm going to rotate a little bit. Same for this one, let's rotate this over just a little bit. And on this one we have to do a few more adjustments. So I think I'm also going to rotate this a bit. And then I'm going to delete all the points up here. Change these ones to hard interpolation. And I'm going to move these over to maybe here. And now we have to adjust the tangents on these 2 points to get a nice curve going. And I'm going to switch off the reference image for now so we can see our splines a little better. Let's grab the pen tool, and I want to switch on lock tangent rotation, and let's adjust these tangents a little bit and do something like this. So that's looking good. I'm going to switch on the reference image again, and let's move on to that last row on the right here. So over here I'm getting rid of the points at the top. Setting these ones to hard interpolation, and down here we have to delete the bottom protrusion. And I'm going to move these points down a bit. And again, let's check these 2 points, make sure the tangents are lined up with the spline. So I don't think we have to do any tweaking here. This is looking good. And now we can select all of the vertical rows and use connect objects and delete to create a single spline. In the next video we're going to combine the vertical and the horizontal rows, and we're going to finish our heart-shaped jigsaw puzzle.